Little Mermaid fans can feel like little mermaids in the pool themselves with this Ariel-inspired flotation device. Hi, I'm Tammy with TTPM, and this is the Disney Princess Deluxe Swim Shorty from Swimways. It's a foam and fabric flotation suit featuring Ariel on the front with Little Mermaid-inspired graphics and skirt. It was designed to build confidence in the water for girls who are learning to swim but still need some support. It has a swimsuit-like bottom under the skirt, so kids will have to step into the suit and then pull it up. It should fit snug yet comfortably for kids to have full range of motion while swimming. The suit also offers UV protection. This is a great option for Disney Princess fans as it allows them to bring their favorite princess in the pool with them and engage in imaginative role play at the same time. While Ariel is a natural fit for swimming, Cinderella and Rapunzel swim shorties are also available. The one we have here is a size medium-large, designed to fit children 3 to 4 years old from 26 to 40 pounds. A small medium size is also available for 2 to 3-year-olds. For where to buy and current prices, find us at TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews every day.